Welcome to the hidden streets of Benidorm town. Here on the Avenue of Cuenca and the Marbella Street crossroads, there's quite a few touristic hotels. This one is part of Sandos Monaco, if I'm not wrong, and many others. However, businesses start to shut down for holidays, for a winter season. The Titanic bar that we were looking forward to try so much, but eventually we were not able to get here this summer. We'll definitely try it out once it will be open back again. A very popular place for breakfast options. Now it is closed down. There's just a small kiddo right here on the street, probably just enjoying some nice and warm sunshine. In summer, the TV screens are on and there's quite a lot of people. Oh, there's another one here. Oh, wow. In summer, there's quite a lot of people here enjoying some breakfast, evening drinks, watching some football games, some television, just enjoying some nice music and chatting with their friends and relatives. But now, it is closed for holidays until March. And it is very common with a lot of places that are hidden from the sight of so many tourists that arrive here to Benidorm. This area, honestly, is beloved by national tourists because there's quite a lot of cheap hotels and accommodation options here. It is also considered a residential area. And there are some of the accommodation options like the Sandos Monaco Suites, I think it is, where international tourists do still stay. However, right now, it's all going to change. Some apartments, which is like an apart hotel, touristic apartments, Vista Mar, are here. They're quite affordable. There's a couple of buildings of them here, and these are really good. Actually, there's quite a few people we can see having their accommodation in this place. All their terraces, the vast majority, they look up towards the sea, so there's sun every single day, all day long. Spacious apartments, very nice, especially if you want to be on self-catering, if you don't want to have all the, not a luxury, but all the services, even not so necessary ones of the hotel. This is a perfect option for you, especially if there's more than 4 people arriving on holiday at once. This is a cheaper accommodation option, definitely. And at the same time, you're very close to all the services and facilities that you need during your holidays. Honestly, in winter, this area is really peaceful. And as you can see, it is really quiet out here right now. It is a work day. It is Thursday, so technically the weekend's about to start. But here right now, it will be very quiet up until the month of March. Nearby, we have hotels from Mid Playa. We have the Hotel Rio Park, and we filmed there last video. We even did some lovely drone footage by the swimming pool, which was incredible. And you can see it in all of its beauty. Right here in front, another typical hotel beloved by Spanish, which is called Caballo de Oro, the Golden Horse. And this hotel has views either towards the mountains or the Mediterranean Sea. Also beloved a lot by national tourists. It is a cheap and affordable accommodation option once again. And in winter, they have some great deals, at least right now. Many of the hotels that are located here nearby, with an exception of apart hotels probably, will be closing down for the winter since there's not a lot of tourism here. So unless they're working with the specific programs for retired holidays, it's just gonna be all closed. The same with all these numerous businesses that are located here nearby. Only some of them will be available and open. Others will just quietly wait up until the summer season will start in March. Some places here are open. Tommy's, they say door open 1930. This is Bar Alpha, I suppose it's called, right here by the apartments. Oh, Tommy's, that's another bar. Okay, that's good to know. So there's a couple of them here. You can see the prices for the Alpha Bar, which is this one right here. Never been here before, but I know some of our subscribers that were. Let us know if you've tried any of these locations, whether it's a hotel, a bar, cafeteria, terrace, whatever it is, and share your experience. Did you enjoy? Did you like it? How was the service? The prices? Anything that can be useful for all the rest of the fellow travelers to Benidorm town? Feel free to share your experience. I'm quite sure a lot of people will be interested in it. Some of the places that we did go previously are, for example, the Wookie Hollow 2. I think it's called, or it's 1. I thought it was Wookie Hollow 2. This place right here, we went here for breakfast. Really, really nice place. Yeah, it's the 2. See? We went here on breakfast. Their terraces all gone now. They're also gone. See? And I get it. I mean, it's a shame because we really loved breakfast here. It was really delicious, honestly. We've had English breakfast. We had some curry, rice, chicken, curry, chicken, and rice. Our daughter had some breakfast here too. It was just very, very nice. They have great combos. They do like OPE combos, daily specials, a lot of things. But they're also closed now. And no wonder. I mean, it's a very quiet area right now. But look at the prices, you guys. Look at this. Incredible. They even have kids menu here. They have literally everything you can possibly want in this type of bar cafeteria. But it's just sad when you see places closing down, but you know they're going to be opening back up quite soon. In the month of March, usually the vast majority of them. Typical tobacco shops, they never close, not even in winter. It's always open. 24-hour supermarkets. Some of them are renewing. This one renewed the back part of it, the corner part. It's all brand new and colorful. Some more bars here, Las Tablas, this one's called. And there's quite a lot of drinks here, some offers. Bottle, 150, €2. Oh, that's actually not bad at all. Darts, pool, sports. Ooh, quite a lot of people out there. That is good. This is the first place that we see that it's open and is slightly busy, on the busier side. Typical Chinese bazaars here nearby. They already put on some scarves out there for sale. It is quite chilly outside, and today is the first day of actually like colder weather. Tomorrow is gonna be slightly worse, but in the morning it's around 10 degrees. So yeah, it doesn't feel like summer at all. Pharmacies open. The Ibiza pharmacy, usually they're open for quite a long time, and they're open sometimes even on weekends and Sundays. Right in front of the Voices karaoke place. This one is also busy today. This is one of the few places that still maintain their doors open. And that is because they're located right at the beginning of like the strip. So that's why there's quite a lot of people here. Look at that. The terrace is sunny. It's nice in the sunshine. It's still quite warm. So people just gather up on the sunshine and grab some drinks and enjoy, have a chat. Obviously, there's karaoke out there inside, but people just go on the outside for the terrace for some nice atmosphere, just to sit down and enjoy their holidays. Not only holidays, there's a lot of locals who are international residents who also love these types of bars. Right in front, slightly bigger ones, the ones that turn into a giant dance floor and go-go dancers whenever the night comes up. However, right now, they're real quiet. Every single year, Benidorm has these peaks of tourism. Obviously, summer season is, well, expected, more than expected. This year, we had a lot of visitors, but we didn't see that many people. We did see people on the Levante beach and on the Poniente beach. It was packed up, but we didn't see that disturbing amount of people inside of the city because people are traveling more around the area. People are exploring more. So I feel like that's also good because it's not too overwhelming to stay in the city and enjoy it for everyone who are here. But there are some areas that do tend to get empty the first, and this is one of these areas. Like all these mini golf parks, like the ones that you see here, all these gaming like machines, coin machines for kids to play, all this is empty now. See, there's mini golf, the Bull it's called. There's quite a lot of things out here and they keep it open, but it's just, there's not going to be anyone hardly here at all. Some bars here, the ones that are still open are quite busy for the end of November terms, not like in summer, obviously. But those who are here, like look at this here, they have T-bone Galician veal steak, 21 euros. Oh, that's not as bad, but it's not the cheapest option that we've seen. And it's not like a typical restaurant where you would go. Like it's more a bar style place. Some of the hotels that you see here nearby, I think it's the Pearl Hotel. Some of them will be closing down shortly for winter too. Usually hotels try and make as much as they can before they close down. Like they try and stay open for as much as possible, as long as possible. And many hotels do not even close at all in winter. But some of them do. Like the Pearl Hotel or a few others that were in the area where we've just started. Marina, I don't think they've closed just yet because there's quite a lot of people who are coming here like for a whole weekend holiday right now. So they should be open at least. But like all the others who are smaller hotels who mostly get their clients from summer breaks and summer holidays, summer season when it's warm, well, now probably they will be shutting their doors quite soon. And there are places who are always vivid, who always have some lovely atmosphere. And it's just pleasant to pass by and see how vivid it is. And this is a good example of this place right here. Andy's, simply the best sports bar. We see always people here. Even right now at the end of November, always people here, people getting cocktails, chatting through hours and hours with their friends, their relatives. And it's just great to see that people love this place so much, honestly. We've never been here, like we've been here, but we've never gotten some drinks here. Each time that we pass, they have a really friendly staff and our subscribers seem to love it. And there should be a reason for it. Right in front, we have the Planet Benidorm. We love their Sunday lunch, Sunday menu, Sunday meal. Love it. Absolutely was the most delicious one that I've tried probably here in Benidorm and definitely worth it. As you can see, really quiet. Really quiet with an exception of a few places that are surprisingly still vivid here in the hidden streets of Benidorm town.